Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? How are you guys feeling? I hope you guys are feeling great. I hope wherever you guys are at, the weather is spectacular. Before I get started with this vlog, I just want to say thank you to every single person who subscribed to my YouTube channel. Last Friday, I reached 1,000 subscribers, and I I was feeling a lot of emotions when that happened. Granted, I was going through a lot with my job, but after that, I was able to kind of hone it in and be like, oh my god, I can't believe I have 1,000 subscribers on my channel. But I'm very, very, very grateful for every single one of you who subscribed to me. And yeah, I am definitely looking into producing better content for you guys. I also realized that I have a lot of international subscribers too, so I will be looking into creating subtitles for my or closed captions for my videos from now on. I technically have closed captions or subtitles already because YouTube automatically generates subtitles for me, but a lot of the times it's wrong, so I need to definitely go in and fix that for the English subtitles, and then I'll definitely translate my subtitles for you guys so that way you can understand me a little bit better, just in case English is not your first language and some of the stuff I may say you might not understand.
Life is beautiful. Because I remember we took a video of it last time.
Was it bad?
No, it's good. I like it. It's good. It smells good, doesn't it?
You know what it tastes like? A flat soda. Like
Wow, that is gross. You know what you said last time when you tried it?
It tastes like toilet water.
You made that face before you.
It tastes like toilet water.
Oh wait, I want to do it with my ring finger.
Look how awkward this is. Look how awkward this is.
So I can't even see it. Look,
You don't know how to hold the camera with your right hand.
No. Shut up, Jamie. Oh, I was looking at the wrong.
Cheers.
Okay,
Congrats, Jazz.
Wait.
What?
Alright, so right now it is 12:40 right now, and I need to pick out what I'm going to wear today because we're going to go over my grandparents' house for my grandma's birthday, give her her presents and her card, and then I'm going with Jamie to a draft party, but I'm only going because my friends are going to be there. Like, I don't really care about drafting or whatever. Also last night my brother and I had put our handprints on my grandma's apron because when me and Jamie were younger, my mom had made us put our handprints on this apron back when we were kids, and so my grandma wanted like our adult hands on that same apron. So we did that last night. It was definitely a process. I wanted to record it, but I had the biggest headache last night, and I think it was from the smoke. So yeah, I had the biggest headache last night, so I didn't record the process. I wanted to because it was very interesting, but at the same time I'm kind of glad because I didn't want to get paint on this camera. Okay, so this is how it turned out. So as you can see, the right side is my handprint, the left side is Jamie's handprint, and then I don't know if you can see because it's very faint, but our younger handprints are right here. This is mine, and then this is Jamie's right here. Okay, so this is the outfit that I came up with.
Oh, really?
Right here.
Yeah, it does look nice.
Whoa!
What is it? What do you think?
I don't have anything to say.
Ta-da! Let me see. Oh, get that. Thank you. Let me see the difference. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, I just love it.
You guys used a lot of paint.
Hello everyone. It is nighttime. The only reason why we are really up is because it's supposed to be a meteor shower coming down like in a couple of minutes, so I wanted to see if we'll be able to see it or not. So apparently online it said that since we are in the San Francisco Bay Area, we should be able to see it, and it's supposed to be coming from the east. Do you know where east is, Jamie?
East is that way, I think.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it is. Now we just gonna wait a little bit and then see if we see any meteor showers. Yeah, I don't even know what to expect from a meteor shower. I know last time a big event was happening in the sky was that whole eclipse moment, and because of the fires it was very smoky and we weren't able to see. Remember the whole eclipse event a couple years ago and we weren't able to see it because it was smoky?
Yep. I'm trying to like look on Twitter to see if like anybody sees anything in the Bay Area.
I hope so. That would be so nice to catch in person.
Right.
Because we don't get anything out here. We don't get no northern lights.
For real.
We don't get no shooting stars. Oh yeah, also we updated the backyard. So my parents decided to fill up the backyard with more furniture, and now it's like 90% filled. So if you didn't know, we got a gazebo right there because our cabana had broken. Was that earlier this year that broke? Yeah, it was. And so we replaced it with that up there. And then we got that little set right there, Costco, super cute. We got that set over there from Costco, super cute. We got that gazebo up there, Costco, super cute. Heating lamps, both from Costco. Everything's from Costco. Costco sponsor us. Actually, don't. We don't need no more Costco furniture. We got these lounge chair that allegedly we were going to get rid of. I don't know what they're going to do with that. We got that seating area right there. Costco. Fabulous. Then we got that area. My dad ended up fixing the cabana with his manly hands. And
Bang, bang.
we got a... I don't know what we got over there. It's a lot over there, to be honest with you. Okay, so right now Jamie's about to turn off the lights to see if that helps.
Is that one?
Oh, you saw one?
No, I think that's a star.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the problem. My eyes are so bad. Oh! Yeah, you saw that. I saw that.
Oh, man. Oh, we saw one.
Jesus
We
Christ,
saw
wow.
one. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I wish it was a little slower.
I know, I don't think I caught it on camera. So where we saw it was right there. You can't see
Yeah,
it,
you shouldn't go see blackness.
but it was like where our tree is basically.
Do you think it's gonna keep coming that way?
Oh!
Yeah, it's coming that way. You have to keep the eyes out. God, I feel like directly up.
Oh my god, I wish I had night vision. I don't think I'm gonna get it on my camera. Oh, let's see if I can get it on my phone.
Oh my god, that's so bright.
I think. Ooh. So far, I saw one. It went by very fast. Jamie saw two, and now we repositioned by the fence. So, yes, I'm excited. Kind of wish they'll come like it's like rain.
Yeah, that would be cooler.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try to catch it on camera. If I don't, I apologize.
Yeah, I don't think that's happening.